Welcome back. Now, assuming that you already have put together an offer, what you'll want to do is to add the other vendor's product to an existing offer. And to do that, you're going to go inside of another offer. And what you're going to do is to create a new page. Now, you're going to need a new page that you're going to place a buy button on using WarriorPlus. We're going to give that page a name and place the new sales page URL here in this area. What we're now going to do is click Save. We will have saved the page to our offer. What we now need to do is to add a new product. So we're going to click Add a Product. And we're then going to go to our available products. What you're going to see now is you're going to see that we have the product from the other vendor. We can now add this product to our funnel. And we're now going to click Save. That product is now added to our offer, which we can place inside of any funnel or have it within our offer. So for example, we can then make that product the upsell to one of our products. And we can click Save. What we'll now need to do is to get the buy button code for that product. So we're going to get the code, and we're now going to add that code to our sales page. We'll then add the code to the page and click Insert. And we have now added our new buy button to the page. So when the individual clicks the checkout button, they will then come to this page. And what they will see is that the product is being sold by you, and they'll see then that this product, although part of your offer, was created by another individual. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.